And yes, you can. Hi friends, I'm Les Mood, your host. Welcome to the Energy Independent Show, where we cover product reviews, interviews, and hot news. According to New York Times, rolling blackouts in California have power experts stumped. As temperatures begin to rise in California on Friday and again on Saturday, the manager of much of the state's electric grid called on utilities to cut power to hundreds of thousands of customers. They set it up like this is a historic event, said Bill Powers, a San Diego engineer who provides expert testimony on utility matters before the state's regulators. This should not have triggered blackouts. Prices in locations near the Tahoe area across the state line to Reno and Carson City, Nevada spiked into the thousands of dollars per megawatt hour, far above the typical cost of under $100. In particular, California ISO said 2 natural gas power plants shut down on Friday, and on Saturday, a wind farm and another gas plant stopped producing power. According to greentechmedia.com, the current system of electric billing no longer makes sense. Home electric bills have long been priced volumetrically per kilowatt hour or unit of electric energy consumed, with only some small additional fixed changes like a meter charge and or local fixed surcharge. Yet this legacy charge structure does not reflect the pay down on our grid's sunk capital cost, nor does it do much to encourage customer load changes that reduce the need for more grid infrastructure. The need to offer opt-in 3-part rates to electricity consumers has never been more pressing. Transmission and distribution costs now dramatically outweigh wholesale energy costs at nearly 3-to-1, and they are relentlessly increasing. Meanwhile, the technological solutions now available to us to manage and respond to these costs with 3-part rate structures are smarter, cheaper, and more readily implementable than ever before. According to climatelinks.org, opportunity in crisis, building a cleaner, more resilient energy system. While the myriad of challenges we face may seem overwhelming, crisis can be a catalyst for societal change. And with great change comes great opportunity as countries plan for an eventual economic recovery from COVID-19. The global energy sector has the opportunity to move beyond business as usual and expedite the development of energy systems which are more accessible, efficient, affordable, and clean. The bottom line is that investing in green technology just makes good financial sense. The International Renewable Energy Agency has estimated that transitioning to clean energy systems can boost global gross domestic product by $98 trillion and add 42 million jobs by 2050. In addition, IRENA estimates that investing in renewable energy would significantly reduce healthcare costs by an amount 8 times greater than the initial investment in new renewable energy generation. According to CBCnews.com, Canadian miner answers electric car maker Elon Musk's call for zero carbon nickel. A small Canadian mining company says it has found a way to mine nickel without spewing a ton of carbon into the atmosphere, an engineering challenge that no less than Elon Musk says is the key to producing the energy to power the world's future transportation needs. Canada Nickel Company is in the midst of setting up a facility near Timmins, Ontario that CEO Mark Selby said can extract the metal virtually carbon-free. At least one prominent nickel user is excited. Musk, the CEO of electric car company Tesla, needs nickel to satisfy his company's insatiable appetite for batteries. According to NewYorkTimes.com, Norwegian taxis wirelessly charging while they wait for a fare. Starting next year, 24 specially outfitted electric Jaguars taxis will roam the streets of the very green capital of Norway. And when they are idling at special taxi lanes, they will be able to be recharged from the ground up. This new program in Oslo would be the world's first. That's the big idea, Mr. Daga 61 said. You don't need to fill a battery to 100% or even 80%. You just need to add another 20% from wherever you start, and you just frequently recharge. It's a concept referred to as grazing rather than guzzling. A partial charge here followed by another partial charge somewhere else, and at the end of the day you can stay in business 24/7. He continued, convenience is a factor, but efficiency is the point. And that's it for the hot energy news. If you want your electricity to be on 24/7, I encourage you to visit sunestimator.com for a free quote where you can find out if you qualify for self-generation incentive program rebates currently available. Thanks again for joining us. Feel free to like, comment, share, and follow, and we will see you soon.